Okay, this next section is really fun. Make sure that you're continuing to go over the phonograms that you've already learned every day. So you're going to want to start off the day, go through the whole alphabet and the last 8 phonograms that we just learned. Make sure that you're continuing with spelling and reading. These ones today are kind of easy and they're fun, and I'm going to tell you how to teach them so that your child doesn't get confused. Okay, this one is A. Never used at the end of the word. The reason why it's never used at the end of the word is because it ends in I. And English words rarely end in I. So that's how we can remember that this isn't used at the end of a word. Now your child might be able to come up with words like ski or spaghetti that end in I. Those are not English words. So for the most part, English words do not end in I. Of course there are exceptions, but mostly they don't. This is A, used anywhere in a word. This A can be found anywhere in a word, where this one will never be at the end of a word. This one can be at the end of the word, or it can be in the middle of the word. It can be anywhere in a word. This is oi, never used at the end of a word, because English words don't end in I. Oi, used anywhere in a word. Now when you finger spell these, there are going to be times where you'll finger spell and it will be oi, for example, payday. Okay, this is in the middle of a word. So when you do payday, which is a large word, and so you'll put up all your fingers for that. When you do pay, for example, you'll make sure you say this is A used anywhere in a word, so that they don't write the other A down, so that they make sure that they write the right A. You'll prompt them and say A used anywhere in a word. So it's important that when they're learning these, they know it's A, never used at the end of the word, A used anywhere in a word. And that is beneficial for finger spelling, just so that you can prompt them so that they will write down the right sounds. Okay, and in this unit also, there are some red words. They are any, said, says, one, fountain, mountain. So make sure that they're writing those in red and saying them, and the stories will contain these words so that they'll be able to remember them and try them out in their stories. And it will also have red words from the previous section, so they'll be able to review those words. So go ahead and read your stories, and this is a short, easy unit, one of the easiest ones, so enjoy.